Did you ever want to impress your friends by just not having any skill at all? Well, you may have come to the right place. May have. Depends if they get fooled or not. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a card trick that requires zero sleight of hand skills. Let's do it. So real quick, if you guys have not yet checked out the performance, I recommend you go and do that now. Otherwise, this is not as fun. So go do that first, then come back. Now, just a little bit of background on this trick. This effect is known as the Upside Down Deck by John Scarn. And it's actually a really, really great effect, especially if you have, have never held a deck before, although holding a deck would be good. If you've never done any card magic before, this is definitely a great place to start because this trick requires actually no skill whatsoever. Now, starting off this trick, you want to go ahead and reverse that bottom card. Now, if you're a beginner, I'd recommend doing this as a setup before even performing the trick, but if you're more intermediate, advanced level, you can do this during the trick, and it's completely impromptu. So, you want to reverse that bottom card and memorize what that card is. Now you got that 4 of hearts memorized, reversed on the bottom, and you're all good to go. So from here, you're going to be holding the deck in your hand and have the spectator take off about half the deck and place it into their own hand. And now you're going to tell the spectator to go ahead and select a card from their deck, and you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to go ahead, pick out any card you'd like. Now you want to be careful if you're spreading through the deck. You want to make sure you don't spread all the way on the bottom. So just be a little bit careful when spreading. Pick out that card. You take a look at it. Do not show the spectator, or that would be a problem. Just take a look at it. Pretend to memorize it, right? You're not actually going to memorize it. So you're just going to leave it on the side. Again, card is not memorized. So you have that there. You tell the spectator to do the same thing. So they go ahead and they pick out and remember, let's just say the 5 of spades. Okay, so you have, look at this. What is this? So you have your 4 of hearts memorized and they have their 5 of spades memorized, right? And of course, neither of you know each other's cards. Now from here, what's going to happen is you're going to tell the spectator to take your card and put it somewhere in their pile without looking at it, and that you're going to do the same thing. So while the spectator does this, what you actually want to do is you want to turn over your deck. And this is the best part to do it because this is where the spectator is not really paying attention to you. The spectator is just focused on putting your card into their pile without looking. So you can come here, place this down like this, take the spectator's card, and place it inside your pile without spreading like this. Place it right inside the pile. And you don't want that to happen. No flashing. Push that in. And they do the same thing. One more thing that I forgot to mention before moving forward, you want to make sure you're using bordered cards, because borderless cards, if the cards are misaligned and the cards are, not all facing the same direction, then you'll be able to see that not all the cards are facing the same direction. So bordered cards are better for these kind of tricks. All right, so now you want to tell the spectator they have the option to shuffle up their deck and really lose your card. And almost, like I'd say, 99% of the time, the spectator always chooses to shuffle up the deck, right? So they have that deck shuffled. We're all good there. Now you're going to pick up your pile. Again, make sure you don't flash the bottom or spread the cards like this or anything. And now you actually have their reversed card in your pile already. The only thing you need to do now is get your card. Your card is technically reversed in the pile here, but they don't know that. So you have your 2 cards reversed. And now you just want to make it seem like you're mixing up this pile, and then you're going to reverse the cards together, right? So now you ask the spectator to take about 1/3 of their pack, or take half their pack. Boom, there you go. You take this pack, you turn it face up, put it on the bottom, make it visible. You take the other half of their pile, turn that face up, put it on top, make that visible. And now you can pretty much push all these together. You can have the spectator push all these together, completely up to you. Boom, push together. You could do a magic snap, wave, or flying. So you do your magic stuff, and then you can go ahead, spread through the cards, or you can even have the spectator spread through the cards, and we'll see that 2 cards are facing down. The bottom card will always be the spectator's card, and the top card will always be your selected card, which is the 4 of hearts. So now if we go ahead and flip that over, that'll be the 5 of spades, and then that'll be the 4 of hearts. The spectator's mind is blown, and you're going to be like, I didn't even do anything. That was all you. And you guys all celebrate together because you have fooled and impressed them. So that's how you impress people with zero sleight of hand skills. And if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button so I know that you liked it. And go and check out that video because it's awesome. I'll see you there. Peace out.